If you're a developer, small business owner, or web designer looking for a simple yet powerful SEO audit tool, SEO Checker for Windows by Vavsoft is a great fit. This easy-to-use website crawler scans your entire site, whether small or large, and quickly generates valuable SEO data like broken links, sitemap files, meta descriptions, page titles, heading tags, H1, H2, etc. Internal backlinks, and link classifications such as dofollow or nofollow. It helps you identify SEO errors and monitor your site's technical health so you can improve your rankings. SEO Checker works offline on your Windows computer, offering fast reports without complexity. With a lifetime deal priced at just $9, it's an affordable way to perform detailed website audits and competitor analysis without pricey subscriptions. Don't miss this chance to optimize your site effectively. Grab the deal through the link in the description below.